New Candybomb alert. Bitget have recently added a new Candybomb project which are pretty unique name-wise. LSD7 is probably on Candybomb right now. So without further ado, let's get to it. L7 is a Web3-based decentralized digital asset management protocol dedicated to provide investment solutions and services to the global blockchain ecosystem and digital assets. Offer one-stop asset investment and configuration services for professional investors, institutions, ecosystems, projects, and individuals. The live L7 price today is $20.31 with a 24-hour trading volume of $2,370,118. How to participate: complete LSD7 spot trading, LSD7 net deposit and referral missions to get tickets. 1. Users who sign up during the promotion. 2. Go to the Candybomb page and use the register button. 3. Bitget will begin calculating the LSD7 spot trading volumes and LSD7 net deposits and referrals only after the user completes registration for the promotion. How to get tickets. 1. Reach a certain LSD7 spot trading volume during the promotion to get tickets. 2. Reach a certain net deposit volume during the promotion to get tickets. Net deposit equals deposit, withdrawal. 3. Make referrals and get them to register on Bitget. The invitee must reach at least 100 USDT in spot trading volume during the promotion to be counted as a valid invite. That is all for the details. For more details you can check Bitget's website. So that is all for today's video. Make sure if you like this kind of content and information, give it a thumbs and subscribe for more. Stay tuned.